Good afternoon. It's me, si Sol. So, for today's video, asa kita adobo chicken feet or adidas. So, first, kalenta kita karahay with oil. Okay. And then, punya tayo cebollon or onion. Gisa-gisa lang po nila. Timan caramelize sa eled. That's the time. Pwede kita po ni kunel, garlic. Yeah. Pwede yung garlic. It's the same. Caramelize ang tanin kunel garlic. And then, usually, si kan adobo yun, tapo ni your ginger. Para na lansa. Diba? I love ginger. Or luya. Siya ka ba? Okay, halubi, okay lang. Ganun. Depe. If it's set, punyata ko na chicken feet. Yeah. A chicken feet is 1 kilo. O, diba? Grande pa, manada pa rin nakarahay. Kaya po niyo ko ng toyo or soy sauce. And then, I put also the oyster sauce. Yes. Liyale. Na may po man video gali elap. Chense laurel, sal, pimienta. So, talia sa todo. Yan, lang. Yapon ita minyo agua para kedale blanja. Yapon nyo Sprite for additional taste. So, mo say, first time you could see adobo chicken feet. So, it's set.
A few moments later.
So, talia, ready ya. Let's cook. Thank you for watching. God bless you.